Hello, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today here I will be showing you how we can convert website to app with integrating ads, and also I wanna inform that from onwards I am gonna put hacking videos only theoretically because there had been many community guidelines strike. You can join on my WhatsApp group, link in description. So without wasting time, proceed to our video. Extract the zip file, download link in description, and turn off the antivirus protection because it is cracked version. Open the folder and you can see the files. You can check out instructions and run the website app builder installer as shown on video, and wait some time and open the web to app registry file. Go to the web to app builder file location, return to previous cracked folder and do as shown on video, and copy and paste on original folder as shown on video, and also copy paste on desktop. Open the file, and to open that file you should disconnect from internet and again open it.
After opening the file, you can see the frame, and here is local HTML and web URL. Here I will be showing to convert the HTML files to app, and after finishing this I will show how to put URL and convert to app.
You can give the title name and put version name and code and app orientation, and can change the output directory. You can say app startup page, choose between HTML or HTML, and say about dialog test share text, and also you can set exit mode, custom error page, and splash screen. After setting up these, set directory of local website. You can enable disable ad monetization. Here I am putting the test ads unit. You can put you own. will push notification also using Firebase. I am skipping this step. And you can change app icon, splash screen's progress wheel and its location, and there are lots of options on right hand side you can select as your wish. And click on Generate App and wait for some time and be sure that you are disconnected to the internet. So here I am testing the app. Install it and run it. So here we can see the app and it has been monetized too. Now I will be showing you how to convert online website to app. You have to just change or select to the web URL on website, type and select HTTP or HTTPS and put your URL there and click on generate the app. install it and run it. Thanks guys for watching video. Please subscribe and like and share the video. If you have any confusion, comment down below.